are going to the village, but before we go, I'm gonna open this mystery box. So let's see what's inside of this box, guys. Why they call it mystery? Maybe it has a gold inside this box. So let's try to find out what is the inside.
The inside and the outside.
Ayan. Ang hirap. It's a kind of hard to open it.
No,
Let's just say.
Bawa ka doon.
Ay! Walang laman, nakakatakot!
Oh, parang laruan isang piraso ang laman.
Jackpot! So, the name of the box is Jackpot
Mystery
Mystery
box. Price inside.
Mystery prize inside. So, let's see. Let's find out what inside of this box. Why they call it mystery? Ayan! Tada! Are you ready, guys?
Walang laman.
Hala!
Sabi na nga laruan eh.
Ano to?
Very low.
Wow! Very ano. What is this? Oh my God. So, very disappointed. We pay it for $199 and what is this? Is this a telescope? And there's a watch. Ay, my goodness. The big box. Ano? Why do you call it mystery? So, ito lang medyo maganda. Ang tanong kung gumagana. So, ito yung laman na mystery. It's really mystery. At ang laman ay laruan. Nakakaloka.
Mysterious na eh.
So, ayun lang guys, ang ating video for today. The mystery is not good. I'm not gonna order again this mystery, no? Wasted money lang to guys. But, the thing inside is not nice.
Interested.
It's not interested. And they called it.
Dati mo, hindi wagana.
Oh, mapasok ka.
Aray!
Yeah, kasi.
Wala, nasunog na nga ako.
So, ayan lang guys, ang ating video for today. And you know, there is what do you call this one? This is the remote. I don't know why it has a remote. Ayan. So, ayan lang. Ang laman, 3. Isang telescope, then laruan. The remote ay 4 pala, then relo. So, the relo. Oh,
The relo is the mystery.
the relo is the mystery. Ayan guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye everyone!